Good afternoon. Today, I'll be talking about how I'm going to enter a new market with Aston Martin's first SUV called the DBS. On this module 7023 SSL, the course is International Business and Global Strategy. My name is Green Tamuno Iyowuna with student ID 8790220. The table of content. Aston Martin's brand overview. The firm Aston Martin Lagonda Holdings plc is a high-performance luxury car manufacturer with over 100 years of history. Aston Martin Lagonda is one of the world's most iconic luxury company focused on the design, engineering, and manufacture of high luxury cars. It was established in 1913 and incorporated in 2018. The founders of this great firm are Lionel Martin and Robert Bamford. With over 106 years in existence, it has 162 dealerships in 53 countries globally, with production ranging over 85,000 units per annum. Their financial performance for 3 years. In 2016, Aston Martin had a total sale of 593,500 units of cars sold, and in 2017 it increased to 876,000 units, while in 2018 sales increased to about 1.9 million units sales. Aston Martin's corporate strategy. They are into luxury automobiles, real estate, tourism, fashion, and the latest, which is Formula One. In 2015, Aston Martin embarked on an ambitious midterm strategy called the Second Century Plan. It's a transfer process that have 3 phases. They are the stabilization, core strengthening, portfolio expansion that is aimed at delivering sustainable luxury car business. Aston Martin's business strategy. The firm Aston Martin uses focused differentiation strategy in that they target a small group of customers. Their customers are very loyal to their product and the firm, and the customers perceive Aston Martin's product to be very unique. With this strategy, Aston Martin outperforms their rivals, although their luxury cars are very expensive. Aston Martin's business model. Looking at the DBX, it's a top-notch technologically inclined SUV with 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine of 550 horsepower. The towing capacity of this SUV is 19.4 miles per gallon. The car is well designed for family and they target the female gender especially. The vehicle has a spacious interior for family. Diversified product range. Aston Martin, as we know, are into sports car, luxury business, and they also produce power boats into fashion, and they also build submarines. The macro environment of Aston Martin. The macro environment was analyzed using the pestle analysis, which talks about the political environment, the economical environment, the social, technological, environmental, and the legal aspect of the macro environment. External factors analysis. Using the Porter's 5 forces, which talks about the threat to substitute, the supplier's power, buyer's power, threat to new entrant. We look at their technological advancement, supply challenge, intellectual property duplication, the trends in the market, which are the switch to electric cars that has to do with zero emission, technological connectivity in cars, which are the autonomous driving, and competition in the luxury car business. The target market. Aston Martin looks at men and women as the persons or people that are targeted to buy this new SUV with an average income earners of about £160,000 with an age bracket of 30 to 64 years. High net worth individual, especially the women, because this car is designed for to attract women because most Aston Martin vehicles are being purchased by men. So this particular one has been designed to look at the female gender. Looking at the international market, we can see that most of Aston Martin's sales has come from the international market, whereby in 2018, 72% of its sales came from the international market, while 28% came from the home market. The value chain analysis. We looked at the inbound logistics, the operations, the outbound logistics, marketing and sales, and the services rendered by Aston Martins. Internal factors. The internal factors are the intangible, the financial, the physical, and the human, with 2,500 staff strength of ranging the UK skilled labour, 18% business increase in 2018, which they had about 146.9 million in revenue. The manufacturing factory at St. Athens with 90 acres of land, unique customer base, and the recent Formula One investment of £500 million into the firm gives it an advantage to internationalize. The SWOT analysis, we looked at the strengths, their weakness, their opportunities, and their threat. Major things that we looked at is their car has zero emission powertrain technologies. The DBX has a power from 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 4.5 seconds and a top speed of 181 miles per hour. Their financial resources is a term of all money flowing in business. They have £500 million in their investment from Formula One, and the opportunities are advancing automotive market because in today, Aston Martins has made a name in the market, and with their range of cars that using the James Bond 007 movies to advertise their car, they have an edge in the market to be able to internationalize and make great impact in the international market. Looking at the percentage that their sales has come from in the past. Internationalization. In 2018, 28% sales secured through UK market and 72% from the international market. Aston Martin is very ready to internationalize. Potential market requirements. They need a stable environment where they can sell, a country that has political stability, free trade zone, response to FDI import and technology, import and export payment, custom procedures, quota-based tariff. The two markets that were selected from the GMMSO software are Indonesia and Saudi Arabia. The chosen market is Saudi Arabia, founded in 1744, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in 1930 after several wars. Population is about 4.8 million people. Car sales in 2019 is 506,311. Conclusion. Based on the analysis carried out with the software, Saudi Arabia comes out the highest ranking in respect of financial and market entry condition. Indonesia came second, although Aston Martin DBX SUV target market is actually Saudi Arabia. The market has large future prospect, which is promising in terms of ease of doing business. Foreign investors are welcome with a lot of incentive in the market, a great opportunity for Aston Martin's DBX to explore the oil-rich zone. By coming to terms with direct exporting of Aston Martin's DBX SUV to Saudi Arabia, the firm should work in partnership with top car dealers in Saudi Arabia, as this will drive the sales and also promote the James Bond 007 movie, No Time to Die, which is also an avenue for advertising the DBX SUV, considering the sensitive nature of Saudi Arabia as regards their culture and lifestyle.